Hi, it's David at Art of David Smith. So firstly, apologies for not posting a video for a while, but since coming out of lockdown I have been incredibly busy, so thought we'd get the ball rolling again anyway with how to draw a cartoon cat. Be a series of videos what I'm thinking of doing. So what we've got here, two circles sat on a line. These are 7cm circles, just slightly crossing in the middle. So what I'm going to show you is, obviously again using very simplistic shapes, how we can take these shapes and just start moving things about and changing them, in this instance, into a cat. So taking the one on the right hand side, and that one is going to be the head. So obviously I'm taking the circle, filling it out in areas. So what I've done here as well is put a line, because obviously this is going to be the line that the features are going to run to, the head slightly tilting to the side. So just over halfway. Now this was a character I came up with for a book which never got used, and may well be making an appearance or something like this in a new book that I'll be working on, but that isn't really going to happen now until probably spring of next year, because as I've already mentioned, when we came out of lockdown, a lot of people got in contact with me who've been writing books, making use of the time, so they've asked me to get on board and illustrate these books. So that's currently what I'm working on, as well as Christmas commissions. So hence why no videos, but I've still been sharing the videos what we've done in the past, and the numbers have still been building. So welcome to everybody who's subscribed to the channel already, so thank you very much for that. Hopefully you've been enjoying the videos which are already on there. There are quite a few for you to get through. So what I'm doing now is I've got the features in roughly. So with most cats, they often are lounging around. So we've got this one, well, we're going to have him laying out. So for the second circle, that's obviously the body. So I'm going to extend it down into the back leg here. And really this is just going to be a quick video to get the ball rolling again. We've just hit half term, so my intention is to hopefully do a couple of videos this week on the build up to Halloween. So back paw here as well. I just thought we could get it going with a quick cat drawing. So back to the head. Get the ears into place, and again at this stage just put everything nice and loose. You don't have to worry about too much detail. What you're wanting to do is make sure that you're happy with the composition, that you're happy with the size. And when you're doing cartoony characters like this, you're obviously wanting to accentuate certain areas. So this is your chance while you're playing around is to do that. So get the eye in place. Again, as ever, drawing it a lot darker than I normally would if I was doing this for my own work, just so it kind of picks up on the camera. So some whiskers in there. And what I'm thinking of doing as well is, in a video in the future, is doing a realistic cat as well. So I'll show you how I would do real portraits of people's cats and things like that. So that can be, if anybody's interested, that can be one of the subject matter that we do in the future. Just let me know. But in the meantime, if there's anything else that you would like me to cover, by all means leave me a suggestion in the box and we'll see what we can get around to. It's always nice to interact with you guys, the viewer, so if you've got something that you'd like me to cover, by all means drop me a note. So what we're doing is popping the tail in here. So we want a nice full tail. Okay. So again, very quickly, we've now got the essence of the cat together. Just with our two circles, we've just expanded them slightly and put in all the features. It is really that quick, and by rearranging how the circles go on your page, obviously we can put this cat then into different situations, scenarios. So what I'll do is quickly ink this fella up. And if you've got a cat of your own, as with our cat, if you disturb them when they're sleeping, you just tend to get this scenario where the one eye opens. To have a quick spy on who's disturbed their 20 hours of nap time that they seem to need. So that's kind of the look I've gone for. So hopefully as well, when I get these books complete and they're on the market, I'll be able to point you in their direction. So if anybody's interested in purchasing any books, obviously as per one of the other videos we did, the Prince Porrig books are still available on Amazon, which I illustrated. So if you're wanting a stocking filler at all for a young reader, check that out. Just bob all these details in. So got the other leg tucked underneath. do seem to get in these strange contortions when they sleep, cats, so again that's kind of what we're looking for with this pose. Get the tail in. Whiskers. We'll just expand the shadow underneath. So we got our cat securely grounded on the floor. So again, just a quick video, but with the two circles sat on the baseline, we've now expanded that out to construct a very, very simple cat. Give it a go. Again, if you've got any suggestions for new videos, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment box. Leave a like. Obviously any likes, any more subscribes that you can get are very much appreciated. Ask the questions. If you've got any other questions in regards to art, please feel free to let me know. But in the meantime, have a crack at doing this, try a few different poses, and maybe tag me in some of the results. But all the best, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.